everyone. In the sequence of connective tissue, today we explain or study about the blood. Blood is the one of the important type of connective tissue where fluid is the liquid, and that's why blood is also known as fluid connective tissue. Blood have number of suspended different type of free floating cells, the blood plasma and some proteins. Now in blood the suspended cells are RBC or red blood corpuscles, or another name is erythrocytes. WBC means white blood corpuscles or leukocytes, and next one is the platelets. Blood plasma is a fluid matrix or medium consisting of about 90% of water and 10% mixture of different type of other molecules. Protein like the albumins, globins and fibrinogens. These are the main components of the blood. Once again, blood is the fluid connective tissue where three type of suspended cells, plasma and some type of protein. Suspended cells is the RBC, WBC and platelets, and maximum part of the blood contain water, and this word is related with the plasma, and albumin, fibrinogen and globin are the main proteins present in the blood. Here RBC normally circular biconcave in shape and lack the nuclei at the mature stage. RBC basically contain iron-rich red color oxygen carrier protein pigment called the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the main carrier of the oxygen. Next one is the WBC. It is show the amoeboidal movement and great role play in the defense mechanism, and RBC categorized and phagocytes and immunocytes, or you can say phagocytes means related with the defense, immunocytes responsible for the immunity. Here you can see the different type of WBCs, and this is the cells of the variety of cells of the WBC. Next one is the platelets. What is platelets? Platelets are formed during the formation of RBC and WBC. Some cells are breaked and this cells is called platelets. It is remarkable as non-nucleated fragment of the giant cell, and giant cells is the WBC, RBC, and it is play a great role in the blood clotting. Finally, what is the function of blood? You can say blood plasma serves as the function of transport of nutrient, carbon dioxide, waste product, hormone, and balance the pH and body temperature inside the body. Second, RBC help in the transport of oxygen. Next one, WBC act as the soldier, scavenger and builders of the body. And last one is the platelets related with the blood clotting. Next, fluid connective tissue is the lymph. Lymph is the colorless and it is also known as tissue fluid, and it contains plasma and WBC, not contain the RBC. The lymph is filtered out of the blood capillaries but differ from the blood in lacking RBC and platelets and some blood proteins. Once again, what is lymph? Lymph it is the another type of fluid connective tissue. This is colorless in nature. Another name is tissue fluid, and it has only plasma and WBC. Next one is the lymph carries materials like glucose, oxygen from the tissue into the bloodstream and vice versa. The lymph also protects the body against the infection by destroying the invasion or invading of microorganism. That's all about the fluid connective tissue. Thank you.